Accounting expenses. What's it costing you? I hesitated to cover this topic because I really refuse to sell somebody on the value of accounting or, financial literacy, proper business setup. I see business owners pour their blood, sweat, tears, and essentially futures into these businesses. So it kind of puzzles me when I see the setup or lack thereof not considered an important aspect of a business. This is the primary representation of your business. I'm not sure where it gets lost in translation, but your financials are your business. That they represent your business, okay? To lending institutions, to the taxing authorities, to other potential investors, should that be the case. But it is a direct reflection of how you operate, okay? Financial statements show what your business is worth. Should you want to insure it, sell it, get a business partner, be bought out, obtain a loan, or simply even just close your doors down. It's just such a big part of everything that you do, okay? Financials determine how well your business does in a period of time, and essentially what you pay tax on from a business and personal level, okay? It's your allocation of profits in a case where you have partners, okay? Your financials are also a tool to learn what is and isn't working in attempts to increase, your overall profitability and productivity, right? In cases where the business owner is starting out and maintaining their own books, setting things up correctly is still important. Implementing processes to maintain them, still important, okay? But they're often missed. So while you think that you're saving money by not spending usually a couple $100, I think that's usually all it takes. Even in a case where you want to do it all yourself, I could create these videos, okay? So that minor investment that you can totally put on a credit card or anything like that should be considered as the cost to open your doors. It's just as important because this can make or break your business, okay? And I've seen it happen. So again, while you're saving a few $100s to start off, it's really costing you a lot more than you think. How much is it worth to you, okay? It's more expensive to clean up incorrectly set up books and accounting than to start from scratch. Not only is the accounting almost 100% wrong in most cases, but you can also count on GL accounts, sales codes, and other corrections also needing to happen. This is why I typically charge more for an existing business than a new one, okay? So if I've said anything that, anybody wants to ask or talk about, please definitely let me know. I'm happy to talk about things. You get what you pay for. And I see a lot of people charge upwards of what the going rates for accounting is. And accounting is different than bookkeeping, but I will hash that out in another video. Like, post, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.